Every active AUP student has an exclusive access to Microsoft 365 bundle, including free downloads of the latest Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, and Teams, among others. Microsoft Teams allows unlimited video conference that will be useful on your online classes.
You can access MS Teams using your AUP email address. If you've already registered to Microsoft before, proceed to MS Teams registration. However, if you haven't, here's what you should do. Open Office 365 Education in your browser and enter your email address, then click Get Started. Then click I'm a Student. Create your account by entering your first name, last name, and desired password. Go to Gmail and copy the verification code. Sign into your AUP email address and enter your password. Copy or take note of the verification code sent. Go back to Office 365 Education and type or paste the sign-up code. Then you will be logged into Microsoft Office 365. Open in a new tab, Microsoft Teams. Click Sign In. Click Next. Enter another email address for authentication. Don't use your AUP email address. Click Email Me. Sign into your email address and enter your password. Copy or take note of the code sent to your email and go back to Microsoft Teams and type or paste the code. Click Verify. Authentication phone should be configured. Click Set it up now. Select the country or region of your authentication phone. Enter your authentication phone number. Click either Text Me or Call Me. Enter the code sent to your phone, click Verify. Then click Finish. Open your browser and search Microsoft Teams Sign In. Click Sign In to Teams Office Support. Click the link. Enter your AUP email address. Click Next, and then enter your password. You are now logged into Microsoft Teams. Happy online learning!